what? I want to buy a carry pistol that I can carry every day. Probably not going to blow my fucking dick off if I try to pull it out, you know? So I'm like, all right, cool. Go buy this Glock. Take it out. Biggest piece of shit in the fucking world. Wow, this trigger feels like dog shit. Feels like I'm literally putting my finger in a piece of dog shit and squeezing it. Go to put one in the fucking chamber, let go of the slide, and just fucking go! Fucking goes right into my cabinets and fucking slugs stuck in the wall right now.
Did it go through?
Yeah, no, it's stuck in the wall.
Was it a 9mm?
It was a 9mm, but it was hollow point. I don't even carry hollow points.
Dude, and your parents were there though, right?
Yeah. Well, at first we didn't know what it was. We were cooking, so we thought like a piece of glass broke. We were all looking around. I'm like, what the fuck?
You did this while they were cooking?
Yeah. Well, I was cooking. And so what I thought it was I was cooking soup. So I thought like
The pasta exploded?
Yeah, I thought like I was like, damn. Take out my mag, and I'm like, what the fuck? Why do I only have 9 rounds in here? I'm like, like I'm cool, right? Like,
is it still there?
Yeah.